the current would carry me away, and I would kill to make it to the Atlantic. If the world would only stop for me.
Another day that I can't face the blue eyes. We are falling apart and I'm scared to death. You are much worse for the wear, and I'm taking the blame for this. I am falling towards the coast.
Let the waves crash over me.
To life, to glory goes the toast.
As I become the sea. Lord, get me out of this city tonight, 'cause you were what made me feel alive. Here I am again, running away from the truth. Just know that you move me like I've never been moved. Yeah, like I've never been